Do this to treat coughs and flu from home. Drink plenty of fluids, especially warm water. Herbal tea, or other warm drinks can help moisten the throat and relieve a blocked nose. 2. Keep the air moist. Having sufficiently moist air in the house can help reduce symptoms of nasal congestion. 3. Gargle with warm salt water. Gargling with a warm salt water solution can help soothe a sore throat and reduce mucus. 4. Avoid smoking and smoke. Smoking or exposure to cigarette smoke can worsen cough and flu symptoms. 5. Get enough rest. Getting the body enough rest will help the immune system fight infections and speed up the healing process.